Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss depend on meta argument in Terraform. Okay, so we are going to see why we need to use it and how we can use it, and I will show you in the real time. Okay, so I am creating like video topic wise topic so you don't like miss everything, and we can learn easily, and you can enhance your skill this way in easy way. Okay, so that's why I have planned to create topic wide topic videos, okay, for Terraform. So go back to the Terraform documentation. So here we can see meta argument, that is depend on. Okay, so depend on, why? Suppose why you need to use depend on. Suppose you are creating two resources. Okay, you are creating one S3 bucket and you are creating one EC2 instance, and you want like S3 should get created first, then only you want to create the EC2. Okay, then how you can do it? You can do it using depends on meta argument. Okay, so let me go to the VS Code here, create one file, depends underscore on .tf. Okay, so first we have to define here our provider. So just write provider, then AWS and the region. Okay, region will be US East -1. Okay, so we have defined our provider here. So we have defined our provider. Now what we have to do? We have to define the resources. Okay, suppose EC2, then we have to look for the EC2. Let me search for the EC2, AWS Terraform EC2 instance. Okay, so just click on this AWS EC2 instance, and we have to look for resource, this one. Okay, this section I am only want to use that. Okay, so hello world, and we are not using any data source here. So just go to the EC2 console, go to the instances and click on launch instance and copy the AMI ID from here. Okay, so I'm not going to use data block here. Okay, put in double quotes so you won't face any issue. Okay, so here, and let's create S3 resource AWS underscore S3 bucket. Okay, and the like name let me search for code, so I don't want to miss things here. So let me search for S3. Okay, so resource 3 AWS S3 bucket, we got that here as well. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so and change the name, bucket name, it's S3 is the global service, so whatever bucket name you are going to use, that should be unique. Okay, so my test bucket for YouTube and some random number. Okay, and here we have to give the bucket name, sorry, bucket reference name, that should be my underscore bucket bucket. Okay, so we have written our code. Okay, and now we have to define our depends on meta argument. So suppose we want to create AWS S3 bucket first, then only we want to create EC2 instance. Okay, okay, so how we can do it? We can do it, we have to use here, so let me let it be, that is not an issue. Here we have to write depends on. Okay, and what we have to define here, that we are getting option reference here, so we have to define AWS S3 bucket, whatever name we have defined, and my bucket. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, so now we have successfully written our code with the depends on meta argument. Okay, and first Terraform is going to create S3 bucket, then after that it will create EC2 instance. So let's open the terminal, new terminal, and run Terraform init. Let's see. Then we have to run Terraform plan to see the plan, whatever resources Terraform is going to create. Okay, so plan 2 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Okay, so it's going to create one S3 bucket and one EC2 instance using depends on meta argument. Okay, like I will suggest you to use Terraform extension, so that will be like easy to write your code. Okay, whenever you are working with Terraform. So here we have extension, you just have to click on it and look for Terraform and install it. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to run Terraform apply. Let's see what resources Terraform is going to create first. So you can see AWS S3 my bucket is creating. So first it's creating S3 bucket because we have defined depends on meta argument in EC2 resource block. Okay, so what it's considering, like it's considering EC2 instance will created only after the creation of S3 bucket, because of we have defined depends on meta argument in EC2 resource block. Okay, so you can see AWS S3 bucket is getting created. So S3 bucket is getting created, S3 bucket creation complete. Okay, now it's creating AWS instance, that is wave, whatever name we have given here, right? So this is the way how we can write depends on meta argument in Terraform and how we can use depends on meta argument in Terraform. So that's it. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and if you have any query then do let me know in the comment section. and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.